Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, we're going to talk about how to give. Let me ask you a question. You think you shouldn't give so much that you don't have nothing left for yourself? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, it not cost you nothing. Just click the like button, drop one comment below and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 8, from verse 1 to verse 15. Brother and sister, I want to tell you how God showed the church them in a Macedonia love, even though they don't deserve it. Even though hard time take them, and them did poor so till, them did ever happy for share with them have with other people. Them give enough sitting. Me I tell you no, them get all them could have give and more, and nobody did have to ask them to do it. Them do it cause them want to do it. Them beg we for take where them have, give to God people where they in a Judea, cause them did well want to help. Them give more than we could have asked them to give. More than we did think them could have give. The first thing them do, I to give them life to Jesus Christ. And follow all of the things them where we teach. Them do everything just like how God did want them to do it. So, since Titus are the one we did help when we start gather up the sitting them for give it, we are pushing him to go back, go finish the work, the good work where him did start. Now, uno do better than enough other people. Uno believe in a God trang. Uno know how to talk and preach good. Uno wise. And uno never give up. Uno love enough too. So, since uno do so good, we want to make sure say uno do good when uno give too. Make sure say just like how uno get more than other people, uno give more than other people. I don't want to rule me a give no. Me not say uno have to do it. When me a do, I test uno. Me a show uno the good way other people do. If see if the love way uno say uno have in uno heart, if it really real. Cause uno know how we Lord Jesus Christ show we love, even though we not deserve it. Him did rich, but him give up everything and make himself poor, so that uno we poor couldn't get rich. Now, let me tell you now when I think about the sitting them when I get up and I give it. Uno, it a go help. Like how last year, uno did the first one them, for get up when you can and get to other people. And uno give, cause at that uno did want to do. Nobody never ever asked uno to do it. So now, uno need to done the work where uno did start last year. Give all when you can give. That way there, people will see, say uno well want to see the work done. Same like how you did well want it to start. How much you have, no matter. What matter how much you want to give out of what you have. I now say you fi give so much that you na nothing left for yourself. I now try to make for them load light and feel no own heavy. But I want everybody to have. I don't want some to have and some to have nothing. Right now, you no have more than you need, and them no have nothing. So you no fi share what you have with them. And then when them have more than them need, and you no have nothing, them we share with them have with uno. That way everybody will have when they need it. Just like you write down in a God word say, the one them where they gather up enough, never have too much. And the one them where they gather up little, never have too little. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.